Nandipha Magudumana's fight for freedom will be an uphill battle. That's according to legal experts who believe she will have a tough time trying to convince the High Court to release her on bail. The Bloemfontein Magistrate's Court denied her application, labelling her a flight risk. eNCA Senior Reporter Silindelo Masikane has the details.
The evidence indicates that she does not really need a passport of her own to leave the borders of this country, but she crossed a few borders with accused number 5. It's a good indication that she has the necessary means, the know-how to leave the country.
Magistrate Estelle Delanga didn't mince her words when delivering judgment in Nandipha Magudumana's bail application. Delanga believes there are no bail conditions that could be placed on Magudumana to ensure she doesn't evade justice. So it's back to the drawing board for Magudumana's legal team. But what are her options?
You have an automatic right of appeal against a bail refusal. All you have to do is you have to file your notice of appeal, and then the matter will be enrolled in the High Court before a single judge within a reasonable time, and she would probably be unwise to not pursue that. You know, the accused still has the constitutional right to exhaust all her remedies, and that means she can go all the way to the Concord if she wishes to.
I find that the applicant is a definite flight risk, and that no bail condition will assist under the circumstances to limit this risk.
One legal expert believes Magudumana's legal team could have done more to convince the court otherwise.
She was supposed to actually volunteer some solutions as to how the court can ensure that she remains in South Africa. And I mean, I've seen hardened criminals that they have this ankle bracelets or ankle taps that is actually like a monitor. There is measures. I disagree with the magistrate in where she's saying there's not other conditions that can be set, and that's one of the things that they can put her under house arrest for the remainder of this period, where she has to sign in the morning, in the afternoon, and even in the evening. So it means that you have got limited time to actually move, plus the ankle brace. Then there is conditions to restrain her from moving.
Whenever she appeared before me, she appeared to be well groomed and in a good state of health. I'm confident that all her reasonable needs are met during her period of detention. Mr. Bester will be transported to and from court for the duration of the trial. By allowing the applicant to go out on bail will enable her to, yet again, try to facilitate another escape if she wants to.
What are Magudumana's prospects of success in the higher courts?
The court then would have to ask itself in High Court whether is she a flight risk or not. And if it's affirmative that she's a flight risk, she won't get paid at the High Court. The other option, the third option that I was thinking of was that after some months or weeks, she can apply for what we call a bail on new facts.
Her legal team has indicated that it's still studying the judgment and hasn't ruled out the possibility of filing for leave to appeal. Silindelo Masikane, Bloemfontein, in the Free State.